Hello, Year 9, Mrs. McGivern here. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about what studying history looks like at GCSE and why choosing history might be a fantastic option for you. I will talk through the skills that you will acquire, ideas for potential future careers, and I will also talk to you about what history looks like at the Albion Academy. So what kind of skills will you acquire as a result of studying history at GCSE level? Well, it can help you build a whole range of skills that are transferable to everyday life, as well as skills that really impress employers and universities. So if you have a look, there's a number of skills that are related to history GCSE: critical thinking, writing skills, logical thinking, skills to do with interpretations and considering different viewpoints and angles, pragmatism, and argument forming, to name but a few. Not only does history look great on applications, studying history is so valuable and sought after by a wide range of employers, and as a result it can vastly improve your job opportunities, and it will mean that you have a huge variety of career paths to choose from. Okay, potential careers include accountancy, archaeology, architecture, barristers, broadcasting, careers in the civil service, careers in the diplomatic service, teaching, journalism, careers within politics and government, becoming a lawyer or a TV researcher. But the list is definitely not exclusive, and there are so many more career options available if you do study history. So what will you study at Albion Academy? So this is a 2-year GCSE course, and we use the Pearson Edexcel exam board, and it begins in year 10. Now, paper 1 is medicine in Britain, and we look at medicine through time from 1250 to present day. And the main kind of features that we're going to be looking at are ideas about cause, prevention and treatment, right from the medieval times right up until modern day. And we look at 4 particular sections. We look at medieval England, early modern England, industrial Britain and modern Britain. Now, we also, as part of this paper, do an environmental study, and this environmental study focuses on the British sector and the Western Front during World War I between 1914 and 1918. So we look at injuries, treatment and the trenches. For this paper, you'll be assessed over 1 hour 20 minutes, and this will be make up 30% of your mark. Okay, so section A, as you can see there, is medicine in Britain, and section B is the British section of the Western Front. Now, paper 2 comprises of 2 topics, and the first topic that we're going to be looking at is we're going to be looking at superpower relations and the Cold War, and that's looking at the origins of the Cold War crisis, so the events that occurred during the Cold War, and then looking at the end of the Cold War also. So how will you be assessed for this paper? As I've said before, this will be part of a 2-topic paper. The first topic within the paper will be early Elizabethan England, and the second topic will be the superpower relations and the Cold War. Okay, and this paper will run over 1 hour 50 minutes, and this will make up 40% of your mark. So still on paper 2, we're looking at that Elizabethan topic again, and within the Elizabethan topics, we'll be looking at Queen, government and religion, challenges to Elizabeth at home and abroad, and then Elizabethan society in the age of exploration. And again, it's a part of that same paper 2 that the Cold War was part of. Now, paper 3, we look at Weimar and Nazi Germany between 1918 and 1939. So we look at the Weimar Republic, Hitler's rise to power, Nazi control and dictatorship, and then life in Nazi Germany also. Now, how will you be assessed? So section A, you will always answer a question based on a provided source, and 1 question from a choice of 2 that assesses your knowledge and understanding and your level of explanation. Your section B will be a number of sources and interpretations, and you will answer a single 4-part question based on a particular focus. That will be over 1 hour 30 minutes, and that will make up 30% of your whole mark. So while studying history can be extremely enjoyable, and obviously really beneficial for your future, it does also require a lot of hard work and commitment. So there's a huge amount of reading and writing, and there will be many end of topic tests as well as mock assessments throughout the 2 years. But obviously, if you are interested in doing that, please do come and find myself, Mr. Bradley Green or Mr. Fletcher, and we can talk about whether that might be the right fit for you. So these are the main things that you need to think about when deciding whether studying history at GCSE is for you. But it's up to you to make the best decision for you and to choose the subjects that you know are the best choice. So thank you for listening, Year 9. If you do have any questions at all, or if you'd like to have a chat about anything you've heard or seen in this video, please feel free to come and find me. Thanks, Year 9.